Hey, what's going on, you guys? So in today's video, I am going to show you how to fix if you can't send messages on TikTok. Now, this is going to be quick and easy, so let's start. Now, first, let's go ahead and open up TikTok. So if you are in a situation where you cannot send a message on TikTok, the first thing that you can do is actually to refresh your connection. So what you can do is you can swipe this down and enable airplane mode. So once it is enabled, you can go ahead and disable airplane mode again. And make sure that your Wi-Fi is connected. All right. So another thing that you can do if you cannot send message on TikTok is actually to clear the cache. So to do this, you can tap on your profile in the lower right corner. Tap on the three bars here. Tap on settings and privacy. Scroll down. And here tap on free up space. So for this one, you can tap on clear cache. All right, now that should solve your problems. Now, thank you for watching, guys, and I am going to see you on the next one.